Yeah, you can see the hail on the ground. You can hear it bouncing off the cars. No, that's all hail. First time we've had hail since I've lived here in Florida, 13 years. That's just the sun.
Sun behind me. There's a light, orange streak going all the way over here. Over there.
Yeah,
too.
this was sun. It's slowing down. I'm not feeling anymore. That is so cool. I've never seen hail before. Look at the steam rising off the ground. This is good. Apparently they saw a pretty badass lightning strike.
The sky is very beautiful. Take pictures of that.
No thunderstorm.
Black over there, you can't tell what's black. See the hail? What's left of it? The little white balls? They're about the size of a quarter.
Yeah. Large marble.
Yeah. Thankfully, that seems to be it. Was looking for some funnel clouds, but I didn't see any. Thank God. Doesn't look like there was any damage to the cars. Again, thank God. But it certainly sounded like it was causing damage.